Welcome to Exammap. The topic is Permanent Lok Adalats. So, the Legal Services Authority Act 1987 was amended in 2002 to provide for the establishment of permanent Lok Adalats to deal with the cases pertaining to the public utility services like transport, postal, telegraph, etc. The features of permanent Lok Adalats are that is, it is set up as a permanent bodies and it shall consist of a chairman, and chairman will be a district judge or additional district judge or has held judicial office higher in rank, and two other persons having adequate experience in public utility services. It shall not have jurisdiction in respect of any matter relating to an offence not compoundable under any law. Means the jurisdiction of permanent Lok Adalats is up to 1 crore. And they take up cases related to only public utility services, and the every award made by permanent Lok Adalat shall be final and binding on all parties. Thank you, class.